Alright, this is a 2013 Ford Escape 2.0 EcoBoost with the turbo, where you're going to change the air filter, which is located right in here. I'm going to use an STP model number SA11114. It goes right in here. It's actually pretty simple. So it's only 4 screws. We have one here. I already had taken it out already. 2, 3. It's in the back. Right there, and this is number 4. All right, after you take it off, this whole panel comes off, and there is the filter. Just a little dirty, huh, guys? All right, the filter pretty much just pulls right out of this little snout. See that? Put it up there with all the other leaves that are sitting in there. Pull the new one out of the box. There it is. Same thing. Has a little snout in there. Line up the little snout. Sits in there nice. And the new cover goes right back on. Make sure that this little round part here goes right inside here. Alright, a little bit of a tight fit over here. Other than that, it usually just snaps right in. Go 4 right in. Just like that, as soon as I get it. A little harder with one hand, but you get the idea. Okay, put it on there. I need 2 hands to do it, because it's got to support the front along with the back. Alright, that's it. Let you go. Ciao.